Hello, today we'll start exercise 1.2. Question is find the derivative of the function y is equals to fx using the derivative of the inverse function, that is x is equals to f inverse y in the following functions. It means that actually we have to find derivative dy by dx, okay, but using the derivative of inverse function, that is dx by dy. So in these kind of questions we'll first find out dx by dy, and then using inverse function theorem we'll find out derivative of the function y. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1 is y is equals to root x. See, this is y function in the form of x, but what we have to do, we have to first find inverse function, then we have to find derivative of that inverse function. So you have to always write this sentence that we will first find inverse of y is equals to root x. So how we'll find inverse? See, you can see that it is y is equals to root x. So to remove this root function we have to square. So squaring on both sides, it will be y square is equals to x. That is, we got our function in the form of y, that is x is equals to y square. Now we have to find dx by dy, that is derivative of the inverse function what we have asked about. So differentiate x with respect to y, then dx by dy is equals to d dy of this y square. So using exactly x raised to n form it is, right, but in the form of y, and we are derivating also with respect to y, so we will use that form, that is x raised to n form. So using that form in terms of y, its derivative will be 2y, right. So next step is dx by dy is equals to 2y, right. Now but actually we have to find derivative of the function y. So using the inverse function theorem, dy by dx we can find out as 1 upon dx by dy, that is inverse of that what we have got now. So it will be 1 upon 2y. So actual answer is dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2. Yes, and instead of y now we have to put original value. What it is? Y is equals to root x. So we'll put that in final step. So dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2 root x. You can check your answer at first only, or you will get your answer at first only. See, if you will directly derivate this with respect to x, then what is square root of x? Derivative of square root of x, it is 1 upon 2 root x. So that is the answer only. Okay, so you can check according to that. Now question number 2 from that question only is of the same format, that is of square root form. So again we will first find function, inverse function, okay, of this y. So again for that we have to square on both sides. So it will be y square is equals to, now here square root square of square root 2 minus root x. Okay, so we know that square root and square get cancelled. So next step will be y square is equals to 2 only inner part. Okay, so 2 minus root x. Now we want function in as x in the form of y. So we'll take this root x opposite side. So it will be minus root x will be positive root x, and then this y square will be this side. So 2 minus y square it will be. Okay. Now again here square root it is. So we have to remove that. For that we will square on both sides. So it will be now x is equals to, after squaring square root will get cancelled, so we can write directly also. So x is equals to 2 minus y square and bracket square, right. Now we got our function x in the form of y. So in the form of y, so we will differentiate with respect to y only. Then it will be dx upon dy, right. With respect to y we are differentiating, so it will be in the form of dx by dy is equals to d dy of given function, means what we have got. So 2 minus y square bracket square. Again using raised to n power form we will find derivative of that. So it will be 2 times bracket. So 2 times 2 minus y square it is. Now this time this is extra part, so we will take derivative of that extra part in multiplication. So the step is 2 into 2 minus y square into derivative of 2 minus y square. Now we will write this as it is, and we will take derivative of this now. So derivative of 2 is 0 and derivative of y square is 2y, so it is minus 2y. So after rearranging we can write like this, and now this 2 into 2 will be 4 and this minus sign we'll write in front. So it is minus 4y into 2 minus y square in bracket. Now we got derivative of inverse function, right? So we have to find dy by dx, but so using the definition, dy by dx is equals to 1 upon dx by dy, which is 1 upon minus dx by dy, here it is, so we'll write that answer here. So it is 1 upon minus 4y into 2 minus y square in bracket. So minus sign we'll write above and we'll put value of y, which is given function, which is y is equals to root 2 minus root x. So we'll put that value in final step. So answer is minus 1 upon 4 into, instead of this y, we'll write root 2 minus root x, and here in bracket 2 minus again y square. So root 2 minus root x bracket square. So in the next step, this square and square root will get cancelled. So we can write like this now. Minus 1 upon 4 into root 2 minus root x, and here this is 2 minus, after removing square root, it is 2 minus root x in bracket first. Now in next step, we'll remove this bracket and we'll change the signs. So it is minus 1 upon 4 into square root of 2 minus root x in first bracket, and in second bracket here 2 minus 2, and this minus minus will get plus root x. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So the final step is minus 1 upon 4 in first bracket root 2 minus root x, and in second bracket only root x remaining. So rearrange the answer, that is write this root x in front position and then write this big bracket. So this is the final answer. Again you can see in third question, it is of the cube root of x minus 2. So you have to write y is equals to x minus 2 raised to 1 by 3, right? And for removing this cube root, or instead of writing that also, directly you can take cube both sides and then you can remove this cube root. And similarly, as first and second question, you can solve this question also. So the final answer will be of this type. Okay. Now fourth question is y is equals to log of 2x minus 1. So here also first we will find inverse function, as we have asked about that only. So how we will find inverse function of log? So for that we will use logarithmic definition. What it tells, that if we'll see first this, because we have this format, right? So if it is of this form, to write inverse function we used to write this base and raised to this part. So a raised to x is equals to b, that is b is equals to a raised to x. So using that, now here nothing, no base means always it is e. Okay, जब base नहीं होता है, so it is e. So this is log of 2x minus 1 to the base e. So to find out inverse function, we will write this as, this is b part, right, using definition. So 2x minus 1 as it is equals to base raised to y. So e raised to y it is. Now we want in the form of x, we want function as x only in the form of y. So we'll take this to this side. And first of all this minus 1 that side. So 2x is equals to e raised to y plus 1 it is. And then x is equals to this 2 down. So 1 upon 2 e raised to y plus 1 in bracket. Now you can differentiate with respect to y. So for that it is constant. So we'll write that outside and we'll take derivative of this part only, this bracket part only. So write that. Okay. Then as we know, derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y only, and derivative of 1 is 0. So we can write that directly also. So after adding this, it will be e raised to y only. So the dx by dy part is 1 upon 2 e raised to y. But we want dy by dx. So using inverse function theorem, derivative of inverse function theorem, so dy by dx is equals to 1 upon dx by dy, right? So we'll put dx by dy value in this. Then the next step is 1 upon this 1 by 2 e raised to y. Now this 2 will be in numerator in the next step. So it is 2 upon e raised to y. Now remember, in the final step you have to put the value of y. Okay, and then you have to write the final answer. So the step is dy by dx is equals to, after putting the value of y here, it is 2 upon e raised to log 2x minus 1. Now as we know this property, that if it is of this form, e raised to log of something, suppose this is m, to the base again e, then what is the answer? M only. So here no base means base is e. So what is answer of this format? 2x minus 1. So in the final step, answer is dy by dx is equals to 2 upon only 2x minus 1. Okay, this is the final answer. Question number 5 is very simple. So I left it as a homework. You have to complete it. And also you can, if you can directly find out derivative of this, you will get answer 2. So just remember, keep that in mind and try to find first inverse function, that is function x in form of y. So you have to take things that side, okay, and then you have to find derivative. Now we'll see next question. Y is equals to e raised to x minus 3. Here also we'll first find inverse function. So write that. So as y is equals to e raised to x minus 3, first we will take this 3 that side. So it will be y plus 3 is equals to e raised to x. Now again here we want only function as x only. So again we have to use definition of logarithm. Now it is of the form a raised to x is equals to b form. So that implies that next step will be of this form, log b to the base a is equals to x. So here see, ये हमें एक साइड में लेना होता है. So using definition of logarithm, this x is equals to log of y plus 3 to the base e. यहाँ पे जो होता है वो बेस में लेते हैं. So the next step is x is equals to log of y plus 3 to the base e. Okay. Now we got inverse function. Now we can differentiate this inverse function with respect to y, as it is in the form of y. So dx by dy is equals to d dy of log of y plus 3. As we know that derivative of log is 1 upon that particular bracket. So it is 1 upon y plus 3 in the next step, and into derivative of this extra part, as it is not y only. So we have to take the derivative of this full part. But in the next step, if you can see, we have to write this as it is, that is 1 upon y plus 3. But for this, derivative of y is 1 and plus derivative of 3 is 0. So 1 only it is. So we got dx by dy as 1 upon y plus 3 only, right? You can write here if you want that 1 upon y plus 3. So as we want dy by dx, so we'll write this definition, this form, dy by dx is equals to 1 upon dx by dy. So using this answer, we get 1 upon y plus 3. So this denominator part will get in numerator. So it will be only y plus 3. फिर denominator में क्या रह जाएगा 1. So dy by dx is only y plus 3. But as we know, we have to put value of y, original value of y, which is, see what it is, original value of y is e raised to x minus 3. So we'll put that e raised to x minus 3 and plus 3 it is already. So plus 3, then minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled, and then final answer will be only e raised to x. Again this is of the same form, e raised to x is equals to, e raised to something is equals to y. So first, using the logarithmic definition, you have to find the function in as x in the form of y. So this also I left as homework, means I've solved here, lekin you have to try first, okay, and you can check out in this video. So similar question it is, you will get answer of this form. Now here this is y is equals to log of x by 2 to the base 2. Again, whenever we will get function of this form or function of the form e raised to something, we have to use definition of logarithm. So to find inverse of this function, we will use we will use definition of logarithm, which tells us that if function is of this form, log of something, then next step will be x by 2 is equals to this base raised to y. So this base is now 2. So what is the next step now? So x by 2 is equals to 2 raised to y. So if you want, you can write definition for your convenience. So you can compare and you can write fastly. If you cannot write directly. Okay, write reasons over here. So you will get x function step of this form. Now we want x only, so we'll take this to opposite side. So this is 2 into 2 raised to y. We can write this as it is only, or as we know this is of the same base and different index, so we can add also. So x is equals to 2 raised to y plus 1. Now we got our function x in the form of y. So differentiate x with respect to y now. So it is dx by dy is equals to d dy of 2 raised to y plus 1. Now it is of the form a raised to something. Now tell me what is derivative of a raised to, suppose it is u. So a raised to u derivative is, suppose we are differentiating with respect to u, then a raised to u derivative is a raised to u log a, correct? So next step is this raised to y plus 1 as it is and log 2 it is, but this raised to power is extra form, so we'll take derivative of that in multiplication. Now it is 2 raised to y plus 1 log 2 as it is, and here derivative of y with respect to y is 1 only and this 0. So the dx by dy form is 2 raised to y plus 1 into log 2. But we want dy by dx, so we'll write this form and we'll put value of dx by dy. So this is 1 upon 2 raised to y plus 1 into log 2. Now we can separate out this, as this 2 will be constant. So 1 upon 2 into 2 raised to y log 2. Why we have to do this? Because we have to put value of y. You can put over here also. So it is 2 into 2 raised to y value is log of x by 2 to the base 2. As we saw just now, we saw such type in the form of e, right? Suppose this is m to the base e, that time answer is m. Similar case applies to a. So when it is of the a raised to form, a raised to log form to the base a only, then that answer is b. Suppose this is b, so that answer is b. So using that form, next step we'll consider only x by 2 form. Okay, so 1 upon this 2 into, instead of this only x by 2 will be there and log 2. Now 2 will get cancelled and only x will remain. So final answer is 1 upon x log 2, which is dy by dx. Okay, thank you. Question number 2 from exercise 1 point we'll see now. Now read out question carefully. This is find the derivative of the inverse function of the following. Means we have to find dx by dy. Okay, derivative of inverse function. Read question carefully. First question was different, this question is different. So for this we have given y, but so instead of finding x, see 2 times x it is. So instead of finding inverse function and then find dx by dy, now in this question find dy by dx and then use that derivative of inverse function form. Okay, so directly we'll start, right? So as y is equals to x square into e raised to x, now here differentiate this y with respect to x. So the step is dy by dx is equals to d dx of x square into e raised to x. You can see we have solved such questions. This is of the form derivative of u into v function, right? So for such functions our formula is first function as it is into derivative of second plus second function as it is into derivative of first. So using that form, first function as it is derivative of e raised to x plus second function as it is derivative of x square. Now x square into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x only plus e raised to x, and this derivative of x square is 2x. So we'll write that. Now this is x square into e raised to x plus, we'll write this with arrangement. So this is 2 into x into e raised to x. Now you can see that we can take out common x e raised to x. See, x e raised to x. So we'll take that in common, and in bracket it will, from this part it will be x only, and from this part it will be 2. So the dy by dx we got x e raised to x into, in bracket, x plus 2. But we want derivative of inverse function. So we will use this to find now inverse function derivative. So for that we will use our form that dx by dy is equals to 1 upon dy by dx this time. Okay. So just put the value of dy by dx. So dx by dy is equals to 1 upon x e raised to x into x plus 2. Similar question in next, similar type of question in next. So you have to solve that as homework. So y is equals to x into cos x, that is uv form only. So using the definition of derivative definition of uv, that is chain rule, you will solve, then you will get first dy by dx, remember, and then you have to use this form to find, in order to find dx by dy. That time you will get answer of such form. Okay. Again third question is of the similar form. So also this you have to do as homework. So same procedure you will follow. Next question is, fourth question is y is equals to x square plus log x. First differentiate this y with respect to x. Write this step. Then distribute derivative over these two different function with plus sign. So first derivative of x square plus derivative of log x with respect to x. So for this the answer is 2x plus log x derivative is 1 upon x. So write that. Write this with arrangement. So this x will be here, then it will be 2x square plus 1 upon x in denominator. This is dy by dx. Now we want dx by dy, that is derivative of inverse function. So we'll use this form, that is dx by dy is equals to 1 upon dy by dx. So put this dy by dx value in this form. You will get the step 1 upon 2x square plus 1 upon x. In the next step it will be inversed. So final answer is dx by dy is equals to x upon 2x square plus 1. Now again fifth question is of the uv form only, but still I will explain. So differentiate y with respect to x and use a chain rule. So this is first function as it is, derivative of second, that is log x, plus second function log x as it is, derivative of x. So in the next step, this x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So in the next step now, this x and this x will get cancelled. Only 1 will remain. Okay. Plus this is log x. So we got dy by dx as 1 plus log x. But we want dx by dy. So we'll write this form. Dx by dy is equals to 1 upon dy by dx. Just put the value of dy by dx over here. So this is 1 upon 1 plus log x. And this is the final answer. Okay. Thank you.